As a family-owned company for over 16 years, Payless Cooling and Heating is proud to be your professionals in providing comfort and indoor air quality when you need it most. Whether your system needs maintenance, repair, or it's just time for you to replace, Payless Cooling and Heating guarantees to provide you with an honest and quality service that you deserve. Our professionals will diagnose any problem and walk you through every step of the process, so nothing is confusing.
I felt a level of trust when they provided me with all the information that explained clearly what it was that I needed. And I felt like I understood everything, as where with the other companies, I didn't really feel like it was that clear.
Payless Cooling and Heating is a trained comfort specialist providing the highest quality and efficient equipment available. We offer easy financing, 0% interest, and in most cases, with no money down. With more families working from home and spending more time in the house, your comfort and performance of your AC system has never been more important. Call us today at 281-227-3784 and let our friendly, reliable, and experienced staff take care of your air conditioning needs.